Good morning, YouTubers. So this is our second design of the week after next. This is total badassdomness. This is that Jawbone Great Sword from the Monster Hunter video game we just picked up recently. Hold on, I don't want to lose anything on it. Sorry about that. There we go. Look at this bad boy. Wow. Oh my gosh, this thing is so badass. Oh, sorry, I meant bad arse. Alright, let's take this out, clean it up. Prime it up, fill it up, sand it up, paint it up, post a video. Sweet, that is so cool. I'm going to post a short little sneak peek this morning of this too. Alright, all sanded up, getting ready to go filler prime it up. Sand it, paint it, this video up. So cool. That is just total badassdomness. I cannot say that enough. Man, that is so cool. Alright, yep, we're starting to do our molds now. Started with a couple simple ones, our cards and a Wreck-It Ralph medallion, and our first two-part battle damaged Spartan shield. So, hopefully it all comes out good. Alright, let's get this filler primered up, finish this up. Alright, here we go. All finished up. That is looking total badassdomness. Look at that thing. Look how sweet that is. Little layer right there. This is just going to be an awesome prop. We're going to get this cut up and print it full size. I mean, I printed another one, and the second one I actually did print it accidentally at half the speed. And look how nice that one turned out. And that is just crazy sweet. So, alright, there we go. If you like the design, if you like the video, make sure you smash the thumbs up button. Don't forget to subscribe and ring that bell. And thanks for stopping by. Appreciate you watching. Have a wonderful day. God bless.